Well, guys, welcome to issue 10. Here's what we got in store for us today as we are moving along. As you can see, what we've got already completed right here. These are our components. These are all the gadgets and gizmos that we're going to be putting together today in this video, which is obviously to finish up what we had in the last one. And then at the end, it is going to look all sealed up just like this finally. So that's pretty good. Okay. Now, of course, I can't wait till we finish this whole base here, but you know what? At least we're getting it, right, guys? At least we're getting it to kind of really make our Robocop stand out in the end, so it'll look just like this, which is going to be phenomenal. And of course, all the components are here. Same thing we did in the last video. That's what we're doing here. So if you haven't seen the last video, just go ahead and watch that one. Other than that, same thing. Metal plate. Going to put it all together. Put our light bar in, get our strips going so the lights stay in there. Then we got our screws to just tidy it all up. So what we're going to do is knock this out as fast as we can in this video, and that way you guys can see what it looks like at the end. Just as you can see, all that panel is done. I'm going to put the stickies and the lights on this one, and then we're going to go ahead and mount it to the base, and we'll show you that product once we get there. Okay. So now, with everything screwed in, I can now place the letter H in its little home here on the motherboard. And yeah, everything is starting to look pretty good, guys. Now, I have, of course, not added the batteries yet because it doesn't show instructions to put them in yet. So I don't want to burn anything out just in case there's something at the end. Other than that, guys, here's our little piece of the pie. These are the two panels we're missing. So let's hope in our next videos those panels come in so we can see. But I'm going to go ahead now and feel confident enough to flip this over for you guys and let you guys see it in all its glory. Look at all that little OCP and everything. I mean, this looks really good. And like I said, this stand is huge. It's huge. I mean, in comparison here, you know, that's pretty big, guys. It's pretty big, all right? Other than that, guys, this is all we have for you. This is everything. So, once again, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for taking a visit and watching this with us. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And then we will see you back down here in the shop on our next adventures. Other than that, have a great day, guys, and keep on modeling.